Hello and welcome to Superb VA, your go-to destination for your freelancing journey. And I am so thrilled to have you on board as we dive into the incredible world of virtual assistants. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, this channel is your one-stop shop for tips, tricks, and all the latest updates on virtual assistant technology. From streamlining your work to organizing your life, Superb VA is here to make things easier. And we're here to guide you every step of the way. So, if you're ready to supercharge your productivity and embark the future of working from the comfort of your home, hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, and let's embark on this exciting journey together. Thanks for watching Super VA. I'm Kim, and I'll catch you in the next video.